useless.
You know what? It's recording. Yep, Lily and I, West Coast grudge races. You sound crazy, you're on video right now. Hello, welcome to Life on Review. I'm your host, Bo Tabola. Today we're going to be taking a look at a cordless screwdriver. This one's from Black and Decker. It's lithium powered. It's 3.6 volts. It's the Li2000 and it's a pretty good little driver. This is the driver right here. It has a couple functions. It has some pros and cons. We're going to go over those right now. So, the best thing is, first and number one pro, this guy's $17 on Amazon. That's the source. You can't really beat that for that. I've had it for about 6 months now, and I can tell you it's worth it. So I just kind of keep it going. If it takes about a month of use for me to start to see it dip in power a little bit, and then I just plug the bad boy back in. Normally I just let them charge overnight, and it works pretty good. Okay, so another function is it has this button here. It goes screwdriver mode, and what a dual function of this is, if you switch this button on top to the center and you switch this knob on the front to lock it, it turns it into a manual screwdriver, which is nice. A lot of these power screwdrivers, they don't do that. You couldn't put the force on it and use it as a regular screwdriver, so that's cool. You switch it back, put it down. It has a pistol grip setting. It has 3 settings on the handle, which is nice. It's really sturdy. It's made out of some strong plastic, which I like. That's the sound of it there. It's pretty strong. It's actually stronger than I anticipated it being. I was going to use it for smaller hobby things, but it turns out it's better suited for like household things. Stuff you'd use a regular drill for that's not super heavy duty. It has a standard hex bit front end on it, so if you get a bit kit or something, it works really well with that. I got a couple little videos that I've taken over the past few months, so I'm going to show you guys that usage video and just the first opening inspection of it and my thoughts on it. So hope you enjoy. Y'all see. Actually stronger feeling than it looks.
Finally.
Oh, cool. You push this button, and then it unlocks and locks. It's pretty cool. .180 RPM, 3.6 volts, and the lithium ones are good. Alright, we're going to give it a charge and a test, and then we will be back to show you. It has this proprietary charger, but it clicks in nice and sturdy, which is better than those stupid round regular ones. All charged up. I let it charge overnight. Has a little red light on the charger that'll go off when it's fully charged. It was on when I went to bed, off when I woke up. It says 16 hours, which is a lot, but you want to give these first charges all the respect they need, so that these lithium batteries save that first charges as its full cell charges. I'm not that sophisticated about it, but I know a little bit. I know to do that. Anyway, pretty quiet. I've used it on a few things. It has a lot of torque. Like, I got it to do some hobby stuff, but this is pretty much built for household stuff. Like, it was tightening on and off doorknob, screws, and some Phillips brackets I have on a hot tank that were on there pretty good, and this thing has no problem doing it. And it has a cool feature here where you click it into screwdriver mode and you can really reef on it, unlike a lot of them where they don't let you do that. This one's made to do it. See, screwdriver mode, electric motor. Anyways, I'm gonna run this fully down, compile these videos, and you guys will get all the good information. But for $20, it's already, for 20 bucks, it's already a solid buy. They have this at Amazon, and they do carry it at some hardware stores. Okay. It is the Li2000, the one I've been telling you guys about. All right, one last round with the Black and Decker lithium power screwdriver. Sorry about my thumb. I obviously had a smash accident. Anywho, we got this power strip. It's making, hear that? Well, not, yeah, so what the hell? So we're gonna take the Black and Decker, show you what it's good for. Okay. This one's on here. This is pretty much what it's good for. Light duty. It has quite a bit of torque. You could probably break plastic parts and stuff with it. It lasts a long time. It dies slowly. It still works even when it's getting low. I've charged it like 3 times. It's been about 4 months or something. I use it probably once a week. Anyway, it's definitely worth it. Still don't like that button. You can click it straight into screwdriver mode here, and it locks the whole output drive. And again, it does this. I felt like it wasn't fair without showing you this plastic broken piece that was in there. People are like, what was in there? Just a piece of the back of one of the receptacles. So I'm just putting these guys back in. Let's do a forward one while we're here. There we go. It's nice and tight. Nice. Hear that little torque monster? All right, guys. Till next time.